show you the bridge, the command center, the brain of the vessel. Entering through the stairs, we'll start off from the bridge wing. From here, leaning over, we can see the side of the ship. It's a critical vantage point for when berthing or docking. The captain and harbor pilot usually stand around here so that they can gauge the position of the ship. We have lifebuoys all over the ship. 2 of them are located on each side of the bridge wing. They are specially designed with a quick release mechanism for a speedy rescue. Then we've got this barbecue stove looking thingy on both port and starboard bridge wing. It's a remote panel. Here you find controls for the bow thrusters, indicators for speed, engine RPM, rate of turn, heading, compass, speaker and mic. This is a gyro repeater for taking bearings of objects or celestial bodies. This is a EPIRB, short for Emergency Position Indicating Radio Beacon. It does what its name suggests. It's installed out here in the open space because if the ship ever sinks, it can float up. Firebox and fire hydrant are all over the ship, and it's standard to have 1 each on the bridge wing. Inside the bridge, CO2 extinguisher for all the electronics in case of a fire, pantry for snacks and drinks. This tall chair is a pilot chair. There is always a designated pilot chair for maritime pilots, no matter what type of ship you're on. An azimuth ring, used in conjunction with the gyro repeater outside for taking bearings of objects. SART on each side of the bridge. SART is short for Search and Rescue Radar Transponder. This is what it looks like when it's activated. The other ships can locate you from the radars. CVS, with its turning motion, on a heavy snow day, it'll clear the glass so we can see the outside. Fire plan, damage control plan, dangerous good plan, all for emergency use.
Most unfortunate, Captain. There's no stopping it. Titanic will founder.
Visibility is the utmost importance in navigation, so we've got Captain Phillips.
Cancel the limits. 129.
Bow thruster controllers, same as the one outside on the bridge wing console. Telegraph transmitter. It's linked directly down to the engine room telegraph, or chatburn as old timers would call it. Steering gear controls. Autopilot. The helm or steering wheel. We switch to manual hand steering when we need the precision. Navigation lights control. Pilot door indicator. It shows if the pilot door are shut completely closed. The door is located very close to the waterline, which is why we give extra attention. Watertight door indicator for the whole ship.
Come on, let's go! Get out the door! They're closing the doors! Get out!
Internal telephone for communication within the ship. Sound-powered internal telephone for when the internal phone fails. PA system when the internal and sound power fails. Cadet when internal, sound powered, and PA system fails. You send him to pass messages. Morse code key. We've got 3 life jacket and 3 immersion suits. 12 rocket flares, just like the ones in Captain Phillips. First aid box. Flag cabinet. That's about it for the bridge tour. No emergency escape this time around. It's a small space, very compact, but with lots of equipment. Let me know down in the comments below what else you'd like to see. For sailors with internet access, please help me out by answering some of the questions you see in the comments.